Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of WebTech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to download Pinterest application on your Android device. In order to download Pinterest on your Android device, go tap open your Play Store. In the search box, type in Pinterest, and soon after you find the app in the search results, tap on the install button to download it on your device. While the application downloads, let me tell you what Pinterest is. Pinterest is an American image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information on the internet using images and, on a smaller scale, animated GIFs and videos in the form of pinboards. Once the application is downloaded, wait for it to install on your device. The installation will only take a couple of seconds. After the installation is done, you can tap open the application from this page as well by simply tapping on Open, or you can find the application in your app drawer. Simply tap open the application and sign into your Pinterest account. How to sign up for Pinterest? Pinterest is an American image sharing and social media service designed to enable saving and discovery of information over the internet. Start by tapping open your Pinterest application. If you don't have the application on your device, then you can go ahead and download the application from your Play Store or your App Store. Search for Pinterest in the search box and then download the application on your device. If you don't want to download the application, then you can use the web version as well. Simply open your web browser and type in www.pinterest.com and start. Let me tap open my application, and once you do that, you'll be able to see this kind of an interface on your display. In order to sign up, go and enter your email address in the text field. Now, tap on Continue. On the next page, you can go ahead and create a password for your account. If you want to double check your password, then you can tap on the Show Password box, which will help you reveal the password before moving on. Now, after creating a password that is strong and protective, tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen. On the next page, type in your full name, and once you do that, tap Next one more time, type in your age, and tap on Next. Go ahead and choose your gender, select your country or your region from the options mentioned below, and tap on Next. Now, you can go ahead and pick your interest from the options displayed and tap on Next at the upper right. As soon as you do that, you'll end up in your home screen and you have successfully signed up for your Pinterest account. The pins that are displayed on your screen right now depends upon what kind of a category you chose during signing up, and your Pinterest will show you pins according to your choices. On how to log into Pinterest with your Facebook account. You can easily log into Pinterest using your username, email, and password option, and also your Facebook and Google account. Now let's begin. First thing to do is tap open your Pinterest application. Tap on Continue with Facebook, but before that, make sure you are signed into your Facebook account as well. You might be asked to enter your Facebook account's credential if you are not signed into your Facebook. Soon after tapping on Login with Facebook, I have been signed into my Pinterest account just like that. It is that simple. That is how you can easily log into Pinterest account with the help of your Facebook account. Just make sure you are logged into your Facebook account on your smartphone so that you can easily log in without any kind of a delay. How to follow someone on Pinterest. Following someone on Pinterest is quite easy as doing a quick search on Pinterest. The first thing to do is start tapping open Pinterest application, and soon after you do that, sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in your home screen, tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen right next to the home button, and your search box will appear at the top. Enter a name you want to search into the text bar. Once you search for the person, you'll be able to see the search results from that name. Once you find the person, simply tap on the follow button in order to follow someone on Pinterest. Once you follow the person, you'll be able to see their pins on your pin board. How to turn off your Pinterest notification. If you want to stop receiving emails from Pinterest, then you can easily turn off the notification from your Pinterest application. First, tap open your Pinterest application and log into your account if necessary. From your Pinterest home screen, tap on your profile button at the bottom right. Once you do that, you'll end up in your profile. Now go to the settings button at the upper right corner, and under your settings option, tap on the notifications option under personal information. Now, if you want to stop receiving notification from email, tap on by email option and then tap on Turn Off All at the top of the screen. From the pop-up, confirm turning off all the notification by tapping on Turn Off All in red. Now go back, and if you want to disable the push notification as well, tap on By Push Notification, tap on Turn Off All at the top and select Turn Off All from the pop-up as well. How you can perform a search on Pinterest. In order to perform a search on Pinterest, tap open your Pinterest application, and if you're not signed in, sign into your account first. Once you do that, from the home screen, tap on the search button right next to the home screen icon at the bottom of the screen, and you'll end up in this page. Tap on the search box at the top that says Search for Ideas and type in whatever you are looking for. Once you do that, you'll be able to see suggested keywords at the bottom right here. You can also find the accounts that are related to your search that matches your search terms. If you tap on any of the suggestion, it will take you directly to the board or to that user's main page. If it is an account, you'll be taken directly to the account, and you'll be able to see all the contents related to that account. The suggestion that you see right below your search box are called keywords. If you click on a keyword or search for exact search terms, a result page will appear. If you want to add more keywords, then you can tap on your search box, type more terms in, and then search. You can keep adding the keywords according to your choice, and you'll be able to find the results according to your choice. How to post on Pinterest. The first thing to do is tap open Pinterest application on your phone, and you'll end up in the home page of Pinterest if you are signed in. If you are not, sign in with your username and password or with your Facebook account, and from your home screen, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, in order to post on Pinterest, tap on the plus icon at the upper right corner, and soon after you do that, from the expanded menu, you can either create a pin or a board. Let me go and tap on the pin option and select your post from your camera roll. Let me select a random picture over here. And once you select the picture, tap on the next button at the upper right. You can go ahead and give your pin a title, write in a description about your pin. If you have a destination website, simply tap on Add and add a website by entering the web address. You can describe your pin's details by typing it in, which will help people understand what your pin is about, and tap on Next at the upper right. Now, you can go ahead and save it to one of your existing board by choosing it, and with this you'll be able to post a pin or a board on your Pinterest. How to change your Pinterest account's password. In order to change your Pinterest account's password and make your account more secure, go tap open your Pinterest application, and if you are not signed in, sign into your account first. Once you reach to the home screen of Pinterest, tap on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to enter your profile. Now go to the upper right corner and tap on the Settings button, and from your Settings menu, tap on Account Settings. Under Account Settings menu, go to the Password option and give it a tap. In order to change your password, you'll need to add your current password in the text field. Go ahead and type it in. If you don't remember your password, then you can tap on this link that says Forgotten Password and follow the instructions. After you do that, go and type in a new password you want to change to. Now, on the next field, confirm the new password you just created by typing it again. Once you're done, tap on Done at the upper right, and after you do that, you'll be able to change your Pinterest account's password. That is how you can easily change your password on Pinterest. If you're not very much sure about your Pinterest being secured by possible threats, how to log in and log out of Pinterest. Now let's begin. In order to log out of your Pinterest, let me show you first by logging in. Since I'm not logged into my Pinterest account, tap open your Pinterest application, or you can go visit your web browser and search for Pinterest as well. Now, start by entering your email address that is associated with Pinterest. After you're done, tap on the Continue button in red, and on the next page, enter a valid password that is associated with your Pinterest account and tap on Log in order to log into your account. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your account without any kind of a delay. This is your home screen of Pinterest. Now let me show you how you can quickly log out of your Pinterest account. Go to the Saved button at the bottom right corner. You can see it right here. Once you do that, you'll end up in your profile. From your profile, go and tap on the Settings icon at the upper right corner, and at the bottom of the screen from your settings page, you'll be able to see Log Out option under Actions. Tap on Log Out, And just like that, you have quickly logged out of your Pinterest account without any kind of a delay. How to download an image from your Pinterest account. You can easily download a pin as an image to save on your computer or your mobile device on Pinterest. Start by tapping open your Pinterest application and sign into your account if necessary. Go ahead and enter your email address and then tap on continue. Enter your password in the password text field and tap on login in order to log into your Pinterest account. Once you're logged into your account and you are in your home screen, select any pin that you would like to save. Now, as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see a save button at the bottom of the image. Simply tap on save and you can go ahead and type in a name for your image and tap on create at the upper right. After you do that, you'll be able to find the image in the saved category at the bottom right. And here are the list of the pins that you've saved. In order to download the pin on your device, simply click open the pin, and after you open the image, tap on the 3 dots at the upper right corner. Once you tap on 3 dots, from the expanded menu, tap on download image and allow Pinterest to access to your photo files and medias on your device by tapping on allow. Now, the image has been downloaded on your camera roll. Simply go open your camera roll and you can see it right here. You have successfully downloaded an image from Pinterest. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.